Hi guys, it's Kristen here, and I have a question for you. What if you could leave the noise of Colorado Springs in less than 20 minutes? Intrigued? However, I will tell you that most people actually drive past this beautiful trail that's close by. So today, I am taking you along on a trail. It's the Black Forest Section 16 loop. It is a great trail. It's a trail for your mind so you can disconnect from that noise. And let's see what we discover, shall we? We just started the Black Forest Section 16 loop. As you can see, it's pretty well defined. This would be a 3.9 mile loop. It's kind of a square loop. This trail is popular with families, low-key mountain bikers, horseback riders, people going out for a run. It's also great if you want to do this like after dinner or a little exercise that's not far from your house. You will hear the traffic on parts of the loop. On every leg of this trail, there's a friendly bench waiting to greet you. I noticed that many of these trees have little red spray paint stripes along them. I'm not sure what that's all about. Again, we are past the first bench, we're approaching the second bench, and as you can see, trail's still easy. Approaching an incline, as you can see, it's not very significant. Milo is actually with me. He's in incognito mode or Clark Kent mode because he doesn't have his backpack on, so he's not channeling his superhero powers. Still trekking along on Black Forest Section 16 loop. Still easy. This is also a great trail that I failed to mention, is if you just moved here to Colorado Springs, the altitude, you need to acclimate to it. And this is a great trail to start getting acclimated on, get your trail legs. And we found a bench that's not occupied. We're gonna pit stop here and take a water break. This is the best bench to take a break at. Wait till you see the view that I see. This is the view. I mean, why wouldn't you want to sit at this bench? So I hope that you've received some useful information about this trail. It'd make me really happy if you chose to subscribe to us. I love to talk about all things hiking, tips and our gear. I like to share our hikes, whether it's backpacking or a short trail like this. Again, if you would like to subscribe, that would make me very happy. We just left the bench and we are heading towards the school up here. Quite a bit of open space burnt down or beetle kill. We just passed the school not too long ago. We're almost done with this hike.